Bang a hain, agus Raich Bu eile gomór chun tarafa dómh. Ina going an der seachtainna bhí a gcósan Cill Chainnigh. Gan a cháfhaint cogríise agus cluichí dúchláán chu rampú an airreacht ó bontáiste baile hapú. Bhí mat darma donnacha agus níos de bhaldrathe a Gael Chainnigh don chlé canúnach seo.
Donnelly, G. Halwan of Argent on Chen. And Scott, Paddy Levy on pass Lova. Love Warner go on, Trasta. Watch a Calum Lyons. Inbury Neil Ain watching the Hibrachel in 100 and will Inbury Garrett. Harbor Chinnig Massey Garrett Tucker goal. Tasha Smith recall. Raspberry Massey. Stop it, Billy. Massey Darrell. Cole Massey. Button Ella, Jetting Port Láirge, Tashi the Zealas, the Button Kena.
Oh, ta concentrate the cush here, and Chinnock Shin of Vad Row Vowling and Level Show. Ach, Faker Shin Mardi Halvu, Massey Kjod, Agus Captain Graf, Shikadul Trasner and Gulbara, Saval Dasso, Billy Lena Hutz.
Mark Fitzgerald, Mach, go Michael Kiley, Kedurgal, and Michael Luther Agam. Michael Abula shots to Garnell, Sean Welch. Tasha Tavis Ship by Kona Tastalway. Tashi already hit again, Brandon Swoosfakers can row with that again. Fantastic Sean Welch, Chin Her, Mikey Carey, Gerincha Grimmer, go on, he should bull to Orly, Sean Welch, Shin score, just scuff, Sean Welch. Get out to Marston Glibbert, Nilenia Foes. Oh, snap what's a gun Talon, Jen, Gimura, Jailish. I thought she'd run to reach Mark Fitzgerald, talk to Mark Mark Lone Lewis. Over what? A captain is long Holy for Láirge, Mark Fitzgerald, listen to the goalie, Squilin Chill account father. Well, Ben scored, Lisa.
Yeah, mask an ochter has a from and Ginos are gore. Agus the fair team.
Jamie Gear hot race, she fought Jamie Byrne, Jamie Passamach, Michael Kiley Smith goal! Has she roared, has she heard a trust on? That's Lova Mach, Mikey Butler Reach. Mikey Butler, Agus over Wahig Ruben Haller and Kudi Halvoyana. Ruben Kempfor, fast on Tun Cancer, the shots to lower. Stahigim Rory V. Mark also, Achorechoma. Tonchelevic, Mikey Butler Reach, Mikey would thumb Fottige, Yakin Sean Strike in with the Spalach, Fottige Jordan Malloy, Jordan Thord Fay, Toshishin, Alling, Jordan Malloy.
The Shin arouse, Agus Reach is sample Shin and different and dire and Kyle Quinnafek, Tower Passna Godina, aha, a great Port Láirge Tower Passna Godina, ha, Shassiv, score Unto. Agus Buaicphointí got as an Crinnis agus an Puck go plain.
Billy Nolan and Noah's Stephen Bennett. Gentle Jastic Stephen, Gentle go hauling again. Tasha Galo Chonish, the Timmy Clifford, Lewis Stephen Bennett. Tashi forcing Stephen to Sean Welch, Sean Welch, forcing Sean Welch, and Gary Welch. Calling Sean Welch! Oh, Cole and Sco, Stephen Bennett, Harbor Nisha.
Do Creta, Agus Chiapas Garev, 5-0 in a Cromon. Fiber Bay Wintlesh and Shin Faker Shin Risha Harter Trucka Kuig Slotlish and Schlitter Bader Nismo Dina Titam Heimpler Bisha Faker Zeus and Shin second turn of bang flick all Lena Love come on Agus Crea Gunta to Sean Welch Camera
Billy Machertiv Shane Bennett Shane Agus Kanja Cecil Butch against Tahador Patrick Hearn Smarting Jessic Patrick Hearn Cost Alling and Patrick Hearn Roland Kanchan Glota Egg Patrick Hearn. But David Blanchfield. David, vi shock on the goalie Oscar Pascal Kilkenny. Keeniger Eloch and Pascal Raiga. Kanchan Butchig Massey. Kehol Chainnigh Massey. Alling Massey. Alling. Glenn Doyle didn't come up and pass. And the like. Blanchfield is in Castlechin. Rashka Owen Cody Rai. Chachter Lawn Lewis. David Dara Corcoran and Shrenan scoring Dara Corcoran. British she's watching Shane Bennett. Orly Shane fantastic Shane. To the Gadas, touching the guy bro. Watching Stephen the banner and Spruck. Stephen Alling or a Traston. Ibrahim go hauling up on Trent.
Yeah. Or the Rugshe Grimer and Puck Sayer Shin and Forshe Boss.
It's the atmosphere to Contonish. Come here, Robert Cabrana, Canchan, touch of nose. Irla Daly, she fought Gerla Neal, Tashi Fata, a Corcoran Trasta, Massey or a Traston. Hoshiv Corum, Dunshea or. Puck's here, shot the Kilkenny, Trend, John Donnelly. Todd Donnelly Trish, Chunker, Awar the Higger Kurti Honishesta. Sean Canis Jackra viege, as in Canis Tauti viege, jo, Marta, and Kugno met Katja Kegur Dolums go mai rono medalan.
Well, leising way agus on chin ve has sula go voyach che.
Agus as she buta ord. Tá she buta har a tras no again.
Edo.
Na do Gernach Seta. Agus Bua in pulling on ag bhór balla.
We knew Waterford coming to town, they're one of the farm teams in the league, so we knew it was going to be a massive battle, and that's exactly what it was, and just pure dogfight, so I'd like to go over the line.
Very proud of the battle that the lads put in, particularly the last 3 puckouts. I think we won them, and you know, it looked like momentum had swung towards Waterford at that stage, and you know, to finish out like that is very pleasing.
Going into injury time, you know, 2 points up, to concede the last 3 points then and not get anything out of the game is disappointing, yeah.